In just 24 hours, one company processes over 2.3 billion orders. That's more than Black Friday and Cyber Monday combined, multiplied by 10 the year 2020. The company, Alibaba. The revenue, a staggering $74.1 billion in a single day. But here's what's insane. This Chinese tech giant started in a small apartment with 18 people and $0 in funding. Today, it generates over 940 billion yuan. Annually, that's roughly 130 billion US dollars. So how did Alibaba go from a cramped apartment to becoming one of the world's most powerful companies? And more importantly, how do they make billions every single year? Let's break it down. Our story begins in 1999 in Hangzhou, China. An English teacher named Jack Ma gathered 17 friends and colleagues in his apartment. Not your typical tech founder, right? Jack Ma had failed his college entrance exams twice. He was rejected from Harvard Business School 10 times. When KFC came to China, 24 people applied for jobs, 23 were hired. Jack Ma was the one who wasn't. But here's where it gets interesting. In 1995, during a trip to the United States, Ma encountered the internet for the first time. He typed beer into a search engine and found results from America, Germany, Japan, but nothing from China. That moment changed everything. On April 4, 1999, in that tiny Hangzhou apartment, Jack Ma made a speech to his 17 co-founders. He told them, "This is the place we're going to work for a year, probably. We're going to eat here. We're going to sleep here. We're going to work day and night here." Their initial capital, personal savings from the founding team totaling around $60,000. Their goal, to connect small Chinese manufacturers with buyers around the world. They called it Alibaba, named after the legendary character who said, "Open sesame to unlock treasure." But here's the plot twist. Within months, they secured $5 million from Goldman Sachs. Then, in 2000, when the dot-com bubble was bursting and internet companies were collapsing left and right, SoftBank's CEO, Masayoshi Son, met with Jack Ma. After just 5 minutes of conversation, Son decided to invest $20 million. Ma only accepted half of it, $10 million, because he thought that was enough. Imagine turning down $10 million because you didn't need it yet. Here's where Alibaba's genius becomes crystal clear. Unlike Amazon, which buys stores and ships products, Alibaba doesn't own any inventory. Zero. Nothing. They're a platform, a marketplace that connects buyers and sellers. Think of it like this. Alibaba built the shopping mall, but they don't own the stores inside it. Revenue stream number 1, e-commerce platforms. Alibaba operates 3 main shopping platforms. Alibaba.com, business-to-business marketplace, where manufacturers find buyers globally. Taobao, consumer-to-consumer platform, like China's eBay, launched in 2003. TMO, premium business-to-consumer platform for brands. Here's how they make money from these platforms. Platform revenue model. Customer management, revenue advertising, sellers pay to promote their products. Want your product at the top of search results? That'll cost you. In Q4 2024 alone, this generated 100.79 billion yuan, that's $13.81 billion, commission fees on TML. Brands pay setup fees and commissions on each sale. Subscription services, premium seller accounts, analytics tools, enhanced visibility. In 2024, domestic e-commerce retail generated 414 billion yuan in revenue, approximately 57 billion US dollars. But wait, there's a critical difference from Western competitors. While Amazon focuses on the consumer market, Alibaba dominates the B2B space. Connecting factories directly with businesses worldwide. Revenue stream number 2, the trust breakthrough. In 2003, Alibaba faced a massive problem. Chinese consumers didn't trust online shopping. Why would you send money to a stranger on the internet? Alibaba's solution, Alipay, an escrow payment system that revolutionized e-commerce. Here's how it works. When you buy something, your money doesn't go directly to the seller. Instead, Alipay holds it. Only after you confirm receiving your product does the seller get paid. If you're unhappy, you get a refund. This single innovation destroyed eBay's chances in China and helped Taobao become the dominant player. Today, Alipay serves over 1.3 billion users and processes hundreds of billions in transactions. Alibaba makes money through transaction fees from merchants, financial services, loans, insurance. Wealth management cross-border payment processing revenue stream number 3. Cloud computing, Alibaba Cloud, in Q4 2024. Alibaba Cloud generated 31.74 billion yuan minus $35 billion with 13% year-over-year growth. But here's the explosive part. Their AI-related products have achieved triple-digit growth for 6 consecutive quarters. We're talking 100% plus growth, quarter after quarter. Alibaba Cloud powers everything from startups to Fortune 500 companies across Asia and beyond. They offer cloud storage and computing, big data analytics, AI and machine learning tools, database management systems in 2024. Alibaba Cloud was named a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant, the only Chinese company to achieve this distinction. Now, let's talk about the most insane shopping event on the planet, Singles Day, or Double 11 Inches, November 11th. Started as a quirky Chinese holiday for single people in the 1990s. Jack Ma saw an opportunity in 2009. He turned it into a shopping festival on Alibaba's platforms. The numbers are absolutely staggering. 2009, a few $1 million in sales and experiment. 2014, $9.3 billion in 24 hours. 2017, $25.3 billion. 2020, $74.1 billion. 2021, $84.54 billion, a record. To put this in perspective, Singles Day 2021 alone generated more revenue than Amazon's entire Prime Day, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday combined. During the 2020 event, Alibaba processed 583,000 orders per second at peak. That's more than 500,000 transactions every single second. Over 250,000 brands participated. Luxury brands like Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton offered massive discounts. Tech giants like Apple and Xiaomi each generated over 1 billion yuan in a single day. How this makes money? Singles Day is a masterclass in revenue acceleration. Advertising revenue explodes as brands pay premium rates for visibility. Transaction volumes skyrocket, generating massive commission fees. Sellers purchase additional marketing tools and analytics. Logistics and cloud services, revenue surge handling the traffic in 2024. Taobao and Tmall reported that 45 brands each exceeded 1 billion yuan in sales, while 589 brands crossed the 100 million yuan mark. But Alibaba isn't just about shopping. They've built an entire ecosystem. International Commerce, AIDC, in Q4 2024. International e-commerce grew 32% year-over-year to 37.76 billion yuan. Platforms like AliExpress, connecting Chinese sellers to global buyers. Lazada, dominating Southeast Asia. Trendyol, capturing Turkey and Europe logistics. Canyao Network, managing billions of packages annually. End-to-end logistics solutions, smart warehouses, and AI-powered delivery optimization. Local services, ele.me. Food delivery, competing with Meituan Amap, mapping and navigation services revenue, grew 12% to 16.99 billion yuan in Q4 2024. Digital media and entertainment, Youku China's YouTube, Alibaba Pictures, film production and distribution. DMI, event ticketing platform, financial services. Beyond Alipay, they've created Weibo Money Market Fund, with hundreds of billions under management, consumer credit services, insurance products, investment platforms. The business model genius. Each service feeds the others. Cloud computing powers the shopping platforms. Shopping data improves logistics. Payment systems enable everything. It's a self-reinforcing empire. Let's look at the complete financial picture for fiscal year 2024. Total revenue, 941 billion yuan. Approximately 130 billion United States dollars revenue by segment. Domestic e-commerce, 44% of revenue. Customer management revenue, advertising and promotions commission fees from Tmall subscription services. International commerce, 9% of revenue, rapidly growing at 29% year-over-year cross-border transactions. Local platforms in emerging markets, cloud intelligence, 13% of revenue. Cloud computing services, AI products, showing explosive growth, database and analytics tools, logistics Canyao, delivery services, smart warehouse solutions, last-mile delivery optimization, local services, 7% of revenue, food delivery and map services growing at double-digit rates. Digital media and entertainment, 2% of revenue. Streaming services, film production, event ticketing, the profit machine. What makes this revenue model so powerful is the margin structure. Platform businesses have high margins, no inventory costs. Cloud computing scales beautifully each. New customer costs almost nothing once trust is built. Customer acquisition costs drop dramatically. Network effects make the platform more valuable with each new user. In Q2 2024 alone, Alibaba reported net income of $6.32 billion at 58% year-over-year increase. So there you have it, how Alibaba makes billions. The formula: platform model, own the marketplace, not the inventory, trust innovation. Alipay's escrow system solved the biggest barrier to e-commerce. Ecosystem strategy: every service feeds and strengthens the others. Data advantage: billions of transactions create unmatched insights. Scale efficiency: as the platform grows. Margins improve diversification, not dependent on any single revenue stream looking forward. Alibaba is doubling down on AI-driven solutions with triple-digit growth international expansion, especially Southeast Asia and Europe. Cloud computing infrastructure. Integration of online and offline retail. From that cramped apartment in 1999 to a $500 billion market cap today, Alibaba has rewritten the rules of commerce. The real lesson: Jack Ma didn't invent e-commerce. He didn't invent payment systems. He didn't invent cloud computing, but he connected them all, solved the trust problem, and scaled it to serve over 900 million active buyers in China alone. That's how you build a company that makes billions. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how the world's biggest companies really make their money. Because understanding billion-dollar businesses isn't just fascinating, it might just inspire your next big idea.